of a Java. So firstly we discuss about what is garbage collection and the definition of Java garbage collection. The Java garbage collection is a very important part of a Java programming language. The Java garbage collection is the process by which Java programs perform automatic program in memory management. Java program compiled to byte code that can be run on a Java virtual machine in our programming. The JVM or when JVM program can implements are created on the heap memory, which is a object will not longer is method. The garbage collector finds this united object and declares them to free up memory in our Java programming. Then now then we discuss about now Java garbage collection in used in a Java programming. The Java garbage collection is a automatic process. The programmer does not and to explicitly marks objects to the deleted. Each JVM can implemented garbage collection automatically. Although those are many garbage JVMs are oracles hotspot used in a garbage collection. The hotspot is by the most commons in Java programming. It offers a um, nature set of a garbage collection options. When hotspot has multiple garbage collection that are optimized for virtual cases in our programming. All this garbage collection flows this same basic process in the garbage collector. It is garbage collector is used in a to free up memory in our programming. The garbage collection is the um, in the first step. It is a objects are identified and method are as already for garbage collection. In this second step, method objects are deleted in our programming automatically. Then memory can be complicated after the garbage collector. The deleted objects are so remaining objects are in the uh, compose memory in heap. The uh, the uh, the com- the composed memory process makes it easier to the objects sequentially affect garbage collection implemented and generally garbage collection. The some reasons are included in a garbage collection. The garbage collection are some reasons are used in a Java programming. It behind the generally garbage collection is that most objects are short-lived in garbage collection. Be ready for garbage collection soon after creation. Hotspot has four garbage collector. First one is a serial. Then we discuss serial is a all garbage collection events are conducted conducted serially on the thread in our programming. Then com- complication to the executed either much garbage collection. Then parallel garbage collector. Second one is a parallel garbage collector. The parallel garbage collector are used to multiple threads are used for minor garbage collection. A single thread is used for major garbage collection and add generation compaction. Then third one is a CMS. CMS mean current mark mark sweep. It is used to multiple threads are used for minor garbage collection. Why the same algorithm are passed in a parallel. Then last one is a garbage collector is a garbage first means G1. The G1 is a garbage collector is included as replacement for CMS in our programming. That's all about today's topic, garbage collection in Java. So I uh, so we under I hope we are understanding. Thank you.